Welcome to the Weather Guru podcast for July 18, 2024 on this Thursday edition. Today we're going to be looking at the severe weather warnings and watches for the lower 48 and also the North American continent as a whole. First, we're going to start off in Arizona here. We have a severe thunderstorm warning for Pima County, including Tucson, Arizona here. And this is going to be lasting for the next 21 minutes here. Severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect 7:15 Mountain Standard Time for northeastern Pima County near the Catalina foothills. So this is near Tucson area. 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail are the primary threats. Expect damage to roof, siding, and trees here. So if you're in Tucson, around the Air Force Base, Casas Adoblas, Drexel Heights, South Tucson, and Tucson International Airport, Interstate 10, Interstate 19, these areas are going to be affected by this heavy rain that's coming down here. We have these hail cores that's in here from anywhere from Summit, Sarita, around the Corona del Tucson, and Green Valley coming in here. Some strong storms coming to the south of Tucson along 19 and I-10 here. This is going to be affecting you for the next couple of hours here. There's also a flash flood warning in effect for considerable flash flooding in east central Pima County until 9:45 Mountain Standard Time. Rainfall inches, 1 to 2 inches of rain have fallen in the eastern Tucson area, and this is going to continue to provide fast flash flooding in the mountainous areas and the foothills around Tucson, the Catalina foothills and other foothills in the mountainous areas here. So be very careful as these thunderstorms continue to train over and over the same areas here between Sarita, Summit, Corona de Tucson, and the southern section of Tucson here, and along I-10 toward Tucson International Airport here. These storms are not moving that much at all here, and this is creating that training, and that's what they've issued that flash flood warning. As you see, they're only moving south at 12 knots. Another one's moving south-southeast at 11 knots. So they're not moving very fast at all, and that's going to produce that training effect there that we continue to have there. So hail is coming down here. You can see as far as the velocity goes here, there's not much going on here. There's not much broad rotation, but not much rotation. It's just some more updrafts here with this heavy rain coming down here, as well as heavy rain, as well as the flooding, the hailstones up to almost an inch of hail in the Tucson area. We zoom out here, we can see this part of a larger complex here with the monsoonal flow coming into Arizona here, just to the east of I-10 and 19 in Tucson there. Sierra Vista, you're clear, but out west on I-10, Wilcox to Wilcox and the New Mexico border towards Lordsburg, there's more showers here. These are non-severe showers, but they're producing heavy rain in that area. Flash flood warnings continue as well in New Mexico, north of Albuquerque on I-25. We also have severe thunderstorm warnings in Canada. Most of these warnings in Canada are included in the watch here. These are for northern Canada here, outside of the Saskatchewan provinces, up toward Big Valley, Settler, Halkirk, for these storms here that are moving in the direction of Alberta. Most of these are toward Red Deer, Alberta. So if you're in central Alberta, we have 3 severe thunderstorm warnings issued by the Canadian Weather Service here for these showers that are producing hail as well. So there's been a hail storm producing hail here. Environmental Canada meteorologists 15 kilometers west of Big Valley, Alberta. Large accumulations of hail are possible, and flash flooding could be possible there in Big Valley and Red Deer, Alberta, Canada. So that's been most of our severe thunderstorm warnings that we have here. I'll continue to expand out here to show you some more of the flash flood warnings. We have flash flood warnings, of course, in New Mexico. I showed you Arizona's flash flood warnings. We have flash flood warnings in New Mexico for Pecos, New Mexico, and Las Vegas, New Mexico. This will continue until 9:15 Mountain Daylight Time. So southern Hermit's Peak, Calf Canyon, Burn Scar. And these burn scars continue to like concrete, and the water just runs down those hills there in the mountains there, just to the east of Santa Fe here in I-25 junction there with 40, down to Glorieta and Pecos, New Mexico. We also have severe flash flood warnings in effect for not just New Mexico and Arizona, but also California. We don't want to forget you guys in California. There's a flash flood warning in California. This is for radar indicated here. This is in, we're zooming out here. This is in southern, and this is in the high desert here. So this is in the high desert here, Howland Springs, Baker, California here. Highway 127 north of Baker, California. Okay, 6:45 Pacific Daylight Time. A vehicle was stuck in the water between mile markers 15 and 16, and the water's repeatedly still rising there. So life-threatening flash flooding in the high deserts there, along I-15 through the Cajon Pass and the high deserts in the Mojave Desert there. Life-threatening flash flooding is continuing in many rural areas of San Bernardino County. So turn around, don't drown, don't get involved in that. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles, so you could be stuck in a vehicle. Do not go out on these roads here. Highway 15 in the Mojave Desert and the high deserts heading toward Primm, Nevada. Famous stop there. And these showers continue to move northward here through Shoshone, California and up into the high deserts of California. So this was the storm here, and that's where we have that watch there well above 29 Palms in the Mojave Pass on coming up I-15 toward Prim, Nevada. So we had that flash flood warning there in California, and as well as Arizona. The Arizona basin once again has those showers again. We go back to the Tucson radar. You can see there's not just Tucson, but those showers continuing to impact eastern New Mexico, southern New Mexico here towards Silver City, Alamogordo, Lordsburg, along that area, and then up towards the Prescott Valley there. We have a severe flash flood warning in the Prescott Valley south of Flagstaff until 8:45 Mountain Standard Time for Yavapai County in west central Arizona. Once again, this is close to Sedona area, so you want to be careful there. This includes Cottonwood Airport, Verde Valley, Mingus Mountain, Cottonwood, Jerome State Historic Park, in those locations. So these flooding continues as we have that monsoonal flow that's going to continue for the next month here, and they're going to get those showers there. Elsewhere across the country, it's pretty clear. Temperatures have moderated. It's not as hot as it was on the eastern coast, the 95 coastline there. So that's good news for them as well. So that's what we have going on as far as the current watches and warnings. Please be sure to subscribe to this channel for the latest, the Weather Guru, for the latest interpretation of weather news and the lower 48 and sometimes beyond. Appreciate your support and comments. Thank you for listening. Talk to you very soon.